Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you where to find the inside fuse box on a Renault Laguna Mark III. This one's right hand drive. This should apply to all model years 2007 through to 2015. The interior fuse box is found inside the glove compartment of this right hand drive Renault Laguna. On a left hand drive Renault Laguna, it's actually in the same place but behind a cubby box on the driver's side. So you'll see the little door panel here, and just grab it here and release it, and there you have the interior fuses. So we really hope you found that video useful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.